salutations. Recently, I've noticed that people have been asking, how do I activate the spacebar as a menu icon? Well, today, I decided to make a video to show you just how to do it. You come up here to your Edit menu, scroll down to your Preferences, and this Key Map tab. Click on it, and you'll see your spacebar option, Play, Tools, or Search. I choose the Search so that when I hit the spacebar, I can type in what I want. This can also be done with F3 or Foxtrot 3. Also, if you're a bit confused on the clicking circumstances, select the mouse button. You can choose left or right click, depending on how you wish to have it set up. Also, here are a list of some of my add-ons. I don't use them all the time, but hey, you never know when someone else might want to use them. Alright, moving on. Sorry, poor Striker. Hate to do this to you, buddy, but c'est la vie, je pense. Spacebar, C-O-M. Alright, Charlie, Oscar, November, and convert to curve. As you can see, after clicking on the spacebar, I've turned my poor F-14 into a mesh disaster. So to fix this, you can hit Control Z, Control Zulu, and return it back to normal. Alrighty then. I hope this video has become an asset to you. And until next time, see ya!